I'm going to be showing you how to automatically send messages in your iPhone. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your settings first. Tap on settings. So after you're here, you just need to scroll down till you find Siri, which should be right below search. Now, once you're here, you can see options like language, talk to Siri, voice, call hang up, announce calls, and messaging with Siri. Since we're trying to automatically send messages, this is the one you need to select. Just go ahead and tap there, and right at the top you can find the option that says automatically send messages. So just go ahead and toggle this button on, and you can choose when and where you would like it. So if you want to send automatic messages when you're connected to headphones, then turn this button on. If you want to do it during CarPlay, you can also turn this button on. You can also add a language to read the message. So there you go, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.